In this video, I'm going to try for the first time this Carboxytherapy mask, also known as CO2 mask. This mask consists of a gel, in this case it comes in a syringe, and a fabric mask that must have some sort of chemical in it because it reacts with the gel. This is supposed to aid with wound healing and to improve skin appearance. I got this mask from a website called Stylevana, which was selling it for £22 at the time. I'm not sponsored by them. This is my skin before the treatment. It's not very clear on the video, but in the photos you can see that I have some enlarged pores on my nose, cheeks and forehead. I wonder if the mask will help with this. First of all, we need to get our hair out of the way. I found getting the syringes out of the box a bit tricky. You need to get them out of the side of the box and then take the end out of the card as shown. This is the mask and the syringe. Both of them are individually wrapped. Time to apply the gel. This is the texture of the gel. It's quite thick, but I had trouble putting the whole thing on my skin as it started running down my face. So I initially put only half of the syringe on my face. Then I put some extra on my neck, thinking that the mask was inert, that didn't have anything that would react with the gel. So I could put a bit of kitchen towel on it and have the same effect. But no. In the end, I applied the other half of the syringe directly on the mask and then I put it on my face. Be aware that this is very messy. I hated it. Look at my hands. To my surprise, as I put the mask on my face, I felt a fizz and a burning sensation I was not expecting. It stung quite a bit at one point, and I was scared I may get burns or have an allergy. But shortly after I pressed it down, it stopped stinging. So don't panic if you feel some burning sensation. And now it's time to wait. The instructions say to leave it on between 20 to 30 minutes. I'm setting a timer for 25 minutes. It's time to remove the mask. Let's see how it went. This is what my face looks like. Time to wash this gel off. When I started wiping the gel off, it started to sting a bit, which I didn't expect. It took me ages to get the gel off my face. I wiped and rinsed the pad many times. And this is the final result. My face feels very clean and moisturized, but I think my pores are the same size as before. I have 4 more masks in the pack that I bought, so we'll see if there are any changes by the time I use all of them. I hope you found this interesting. Thank you for watching.